In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Grammarly account. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just discovering the world of digital writing tools, getting into your Grammarly account is the first step to enhancing your writing. Logging in is a relatively straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Grammarly website. You can do this by typing Grammarly into the search bar and selecting the official site from the search results, or by entering the URL directly if you already know it. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Login button to proceed. This will open up a new page where you'll see various options for signing into your account. Grammarly offers several login methods. You can use your email and password combination if you've set up a dedicated account on Grammarly. Alternatively, if you prefer the ease of single sign-on options, Grammarly supports logging in via Google, Facebook, or Apple, making it quite flexible depending on your personal preferences and which online accounts you frequently use. After choosing your preferred login method, click on the Continue or Login button. At this point, if you're logging in using your email and password, you'll need to input those details. If you're electing to sign in with a service like Google or Facebook, you may be prompted to authorize Grammarly to access some basic details from that account. This is a standard practice to ensure your security and to verify your identity, so go ahead and follow any prompts that appear. In some instances, you might be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process. This is another layer of security that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If this step appears, just follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve receiving a code on your mobile device or email and entering that code to proceed. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks and keystrokes, you've successfully logged into your Grammarly account. From here, you can start proofreading and editing your work with ease, benefiting from all the robust tools Grammarly offers to polish and enhance your writing. Whether you're writing an email, crafting an article, or working on an important document, having access to Grammarly's features will undoubtedly boost your writing confidence and help you create clearer, more effective communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy writing.